Hello, so here we are looking at a physics interactive from the physicsclassroom.com. It's titled Graph That Motion. I've done a bunch of these. I'm going to show you the last couple here. The tricky thing about this is it shows both position time and also it shows velocity time graphs. So in this case, you start out by looking at the motion here. Make note, positive and negative direction. Negative, of course, to the left, positive to the right. The car is moving to the left. That means it's moving in the negative direction. And also you'll notice the dot diagram, the dots are getting farther apart, which means this is accelerating, speeding up in the negative direction. So as you click through here, you're going to notice position time graphs and also velocity time graphs. You're going to have to be bouncing rapidly back and forth between those. And so let's start out here. We're looking for something moving in the negative direction, but also accelerating. This is a constant rate of acceleration here, position time, but this would be moving in the positive direction, so it's not going to be this one. Here, we're going at a constant velocity. It's not changing, so we know it's not that one. Here, we're going at a constant velocity again. We know it's not that one. This is in the negative direction. The velocity is negative. Here we are slowing down. We're heading in the negative direction, and we're slowing down, which is the opposite of what we need here. Here we're moving at a constant rate in the positive direction. No. Here we are moving in the negative direction at a constant rate. No, I'm wrong. This is velocity. So we're starting stopped. We're moving in the negative direction faster and faster, which is actually what's happening here. So if this graph ended here, that would actually be correct. But all this other funky stuff going on, that's not what we're looking for. What we're actually looking for, if it's there, is velocity downward sloping like that. Let's keep looking. Here we have moving in the positive direction at a constant rate, stopping, and then moving in the negative direction. Oh, this is good. So we have the velocity here. It's moving in the negative direction at a constantly changing velocity, starting at a high velocity and then decreasing to basically a stop. So this is actually the opposite of what we're looking for. Here, position, we're starting out slow, and we're speeding up, and we're traveling the entire time in the negative direction. In fact, this is what we're wanting. So the answer is I. But if we go back to, I believe it was F, this part of the graph here is identical to this. And the difference is position time graph versus velocity time graph. So here the correct answer is I. There we go. And by the way, at this point, I have to click through all of these. I was not smart. You should definitely be writing down as you do this, write down which letters you've selected so you're not having to click through all of these as you go through. Here we have a object moving in the positive direction, and it is increasing its speed. So positive direction, increasing its speed. So this is actually, right here we go. Positive direction, it's moving upward, and its speed, the slope is getting steeper as time goes along. So in fact, this one is A. And there we have it. Thank you. I wish you the best on this. Have a great day.